Hi, in this video I will show you how to unlock iPhone if forgot password. So if you forgot your iPhone password or passcode and now you want to recover your iPhone, so simply follow this procedure. Don't follow the steps by the different YouTubers. These videos are mostly fake. In this video I will give you the real way to get back your iPhone. Simply you have to follow this procedure. So in the official website of the iPhone, they write that if you can't remember your passcode, you will need to erase your iPhone, which deletes your data and the settings including your passcode. So once you will get back your account, you can simply back up your data. How can you do this? Simply make sure your device is not connected to the computer, and once you will make sure it, now you have to press and hold side button and one of the volume button until the power off slider appear. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone, then connect your iPhone to your computer while holding the side button. Keep holding the side button until you will see the recovery mode screen. So once you will do it, now back up your iPhone. After remove passcode, simply restore your data and the settings. So this is the only way you can get back your iPhone back. No other way to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.